Hey everyone, in today's video we will guide you through the best iPhone settings for taking incredible pictures. So firstly, go to the settings app in your iPhone and simply scroll down till you find the camera option available there. Then tap on the camera. And now inside the camera, you will get to see the record videos or record slow-mo option available there. Then choose the highest resolution and frame rate your iPhone supports. High resolution and frame rate videos takes up more storage, but it will definitely make your video look professional. And also make sure to enable the HDR video option available there for dynamic range. For slow-mo, also choose 1080 HD at 240 fps for the smoothest slow motion footage. Then make sure that you are on high efficiency format. High efficiency for photos and videos. This saves storage space without compromising quality. And also make sure that you have the night mode turned on. Automatic activation. Night mode activates automatically in low light environments. You will see a moon icon in the top left corner when it is active. So that's it guys. By optimizing these settings and utilizing the features mentioned, you can take full advantage of your iPhone's camera capabilities to capture stunning photos and videos. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.